And guys, so namasyal na naman kami ni Daddy. Tapos ayun siya, natutulog sa kotse. So hindi pa kasi ako kumuha ng lisensya eh. Para ako na mag-drive sa kanya. Kaya lang parehas kami inaantok din. So bumili tayo ng water dahil pasyal-pasyal na naman kami. Ito yung place. O diba nun si Daddy? Ayan, we're here in the Southport guys. We're gonna have our lunch here. This is Mexican restaurant.
Your destination is on the left.
Hey, this is Mexican
I
restaurant.
thought that was Asian. Sorry.
No. So ayan, maghanap.
We've already had Mexican this week.
Yes, yes. We're looking for a Asian restaurant or
Hey,
Chinese restaurant.
We'll check Walmart's trees too.
Okay. Asian taste. Okay. On the left. That means here.
Yeah.
Channels that are tree. Where is it? I think we're in the wrong way.
How about that one? It's not there. Great Clips.
Okay, we will check again. Ayan o. So, nandun yung Asian taste. Hindi namin na nakita. Kasi ang daming mga stores. Tapos may mga Walmart, may Dollar Tree, may sa sapatos, may T-Mobile. Dami. Ayan yung Walmart. Tapos mamaya papunta kami sa ano, sa Lowe's. Baka meron kumamila ng yellow.
Does it look good?
Ayan. Pupapasok kami dito sa Asian Taste Restaurant. Doon si Daddy. Diba? Ito ba yun? Asian Taste Restaurant. Huh?
It made me mad when they locked one door.
Yeah. Ayan, so hindi kami nakain dito sa Asian Taste of Asian kasi may nakita na akong pork. So, hindi naman tayo kumakain ng pork. Nag-iwas tayo sa contamination. O, diba? So, check kami kung saan kami kakain. Hey, the door!
They weren't too interested in selling
Yeah.
to us anywhere, right? So what yours is saying?
I don't know. So, nahanap namin ang Southport Gourmet.
I think we're going in the right direction. So.
Okay.
Moussures.
So, nawawala kami. Nahanap namin ang Southport Gourmet and Sushi Bar. I think there.
Yeah, we saw that coming down, didn't we?
Okay. I think that's it. So, ayun pala guys.
Turn left.
Ayan. So, dito pala guys. Yung ano namin.
Your destination.
Nahanap. Oh my God, this is what we are looking for. And we're almost
It doesn't
lost.
look very Asian, does it?
It's a little bit aesthetics.
You're not paying for the aesthetics.
Yeah.
We're not eating Chinese. We're not paying for Chinese atmosphere.
Ayan, so dito kami sa Southport Gourmet and Sushi Bar. So let's see kung ano meron dito na pwede natin kainin, di ba? Hingihi na ako. Thank you.
Sauce come with a spring roll. With white meat, Genosha chicken.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have the flashes. Okay, and si Daddy. Dami kasi yung pagkain namin kaya ayan, pati din ako. Ito na yung dinner namin ni Daddy. Super ano pati siya. Sharon yan. Ayan, so magsisharon tayo dahil madami yung serving nila. Kasi the more na magkakain ako ng marami, sumasakit yung aking tiyan at saka naapektuhan yung aking karamdaman. This is sesame chicken. Sarap siya. O, diba? Uso pala dito guys ang mga uso pala dito ang mga pasarin ito. Ayan, so ako ang nagbayad, of course. Tayo nagbayad at maglalagay tayo ng beef. How much did it?
How much is the bill?
27.
They were $4.
Ayan. So tayo nagbayad guys. Thank you. Ayan, so meron kaming ano dito, dala yung tira namin para may dinner na kami ni Daddy. Ang sarap dito sa ano, Southport Gourmet. Hay nako. Nagyaya na naman si Daddy na lumabas kami. Dahil nga, 'di ba, nalulungkot tayo. Gusto niya maibsan yung aking kalungkutan. So ngayon pupunta kami sa grocery at titingin-tingnan kung ano naman ang aming mabibili. O diba? And guys, city of Southport. Dito nga pala ulit. Ayun no, another adventure naman sa aming kagawian na bumibisita sa mga bayan-bayan ng aming state. So this is Southport City. Ayan yung elementary school nila. Oh. Punta doon. Ang ganda ng lugar. North Carolina, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we are still in the North Carolina. Napaka payak ang pamumuhay. Napaka simple. See?
Yeah. Oh, there's a yellow one.
Oh, yeah, we should go there. Later. Ayan, so naghanap kami. Ay, may gwapo. Ayan na. Oh my God, may gwapo.
Tell them we're going to move out of our house. We'll have so many plants growing.
Yeah.
The lions and tigers will take over. It's a beautiful town.
Yeah.
So nice. Coffee place. I love it. I like that house. It's a little house.
Sorry.
We need that house.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's
I
okay.
didn't mean to talk while you were taping.
No, it's okay.
Look at this
House? What's that for?
store with apartments on top.
Okay. Pansin ko dito guys, bihira yung mga naglalakad lang na talagang tapos talagang may mga kotse sila. And then what is that?
The ocean.
The ocean. Ayan. So tapos walang pakialaman dito. Sana ganun din sa atin, no? Walang pakialaman. Nakita na kami sa malapit-lapit na. Ayun yung dagat pala. Ay. Port City, Java. Java Coffee. Ayan. Ayan, may mga magjowa siguro yan, no? Ayan, see? Also, yeah, the house. And they are, what they call this one, fishing. Oh!
Here's all the old antique houses here, circa 1868.
Hey, you have car behind you, Daddy.
They're doing what we're doing. They're bee hunting.
What is that? Frying pan. think he turned already. We're gonna go there. Can we? Ang ganda dito. Oh, ayan, may mga t-shirt. Ay, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. I'm burping. So something wrong. Eh, nag-aggravate naman ng ano, nadi-disturbo naman yung aking bandang kanan pag kumakain ako ng fried. Please use front entrance. Okay, ganda dito. Makikita mo lang yung mga naka-ano dito, naglalakad, mga ganitong place, mga park, amusement, diba? So ito yung Southport Beach, Southport City. So yan, drive lang kami daddy. Oh,
Yellow house, yellow house.
nice, yeah, yellow house. Wilmington Tower, ayan. Sana meron akong makilala ditong ano. I hope we meet Philippine nearby, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Ayan, so may naglalakad guys.
Look at that house.
Yeah.
That's old too.
Tapos dyan o, labing-labing. Oh, I think you can sit there.
Mm-hmm.
Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Naglalakad dito.
Wow, look at that on the rocks.
Yes. The boy. Oh, they are a huge family, huh?
Mm-hmm.
See the
I love
father.
that. What about sitting in that porch?
Yes. Oh, our flower.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they have it under.
Mm.
Look how neat the streets and clean they are.
Do not enter. So no car.
Mm. That's a nice looking guy.
Mm-hmm.
You want to get out and walk some? Or no?
Yeah.
You do? Okay.
There.
We'll find a parking. See what they're selling in the tents.
Okay, we will look there. Ang dami ng mga gwapo. There's a lot of cute guys here. Apple candy.
Candy apples, yeah.
Yeah, candy apple.
Eye candy.
Eye candy, I mean. Ayan, buti na lang. It's good that we have this kind of, you know, they are not think that we are. Oh, we have space there.
Can we park there? I'm not sure. I don't think it's a parking spot.
Yeah, it stops. Oh yeah, then maybe.
Oh, look.
Ayan, so nakakita kami ng parking lot yung una naming inikutan dito. Dahil maglalakad-lakad kami ng aking daddy. Ayan, guys. Ayan no, may market day na pala dito. Ang ganda. Ayan, parang bet ko dyan magduyan. Okay, that's it. Ayan no, may ano dyan. Ay, may yate. Coffee. Selling things, accessories. Mga ano, wood. Diba? Ang ganda. May ano pala dito guys, market day, Saud din. Saud. Perfect. Ayun din si daddy. Nasa likod. Ang ganda.
I think so. The lady I work with.
Coffee.
Go up to it and play. Stinky stuff all the time. So you have to wash it off. dedicated in memory of the Catalina pig dog.
Ganda dito. Ayun, pupunta kami dun sa may ano, malayo. Ganda. Andyan yung mga nagtitinda. Parang bet ko tuloy magtinda dito. I think we should have selling like that. Huh?
If we lived here, we would.
Yeah. See? Ayan. Tapos, some are fishing. And then, that's the area. Ayan. What do you call that one?
Which one?
The,
Where they're selling?
yeah.
Just an open market.
Open market daw, sabi ni Daddy. So, ayan. Dito na lang kami. Hindi na kami punta doon. See the stone? We will go there?
What's it?
Ayan, yeah. Papunta daw kami ni Daddy. May nag-fishing. May uwak. Ay, naku, ang uwak kinain ang pain. Ayan. So, what do you call this one?
What?
This
It's a pier.
pier, okay.
P-I-E-R.
Ayan, namasyal lang kami. Tapos wala kaming na bili. Walang nakitang maganda. Ayan. Punta na kami sa ano. We're going to where?
I don't know where we're going. I'm so surprised. Nice places to eat and
Yeah.
places to walk.
To unwind.
This is much kind of like Manila, where you got everything together, right?
Yes, see there. Have a good place. Okay, what is that all
They're going
about?
to show the movie for Downton Abbey about the farm. Look at these plants here in the thing.
Yeah.
Those are pretty.
You can buy na seats if you want to. Yan, so pupunta kami ulit dito sa mga halamanan dahil ano, titingin kami ng gumamela na yellow. I hope there is hibiscus. Parang bet ko na yung gumamela na pepe. O diba? Meron ang tataas pero hindi siya pwede. Ang tataas nahanap namin yung gumamela na yellow kasi meron na kami pink. Meron akong orange, may red na non-white. So yellow na lang, wala. Doon si Daddy. Ayan, so ako naman na nag-drive simula sa gate papunta dito sa building namin. Wala kami nabili. Tapos bukas papunta kami sa ano. Meron kaming appointment sa doktor at pupunta kami ng South Carolina. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.